And I'm going to demonstrate the motor brake. It's a very helpful tool when you're doing your rotary hook timing. So what you can do is, the machine is currently in the middle of design, which is fine, whatever. You just got to make sure that there's no menus open or anything, and you obviously want to make sure that no one's going to start it on you. So what I'm going to do is I want to push the presser foot down so that it engages. And I'm not actually going to be setting the timing, but I'm just demonstrating. So I take one of these panels off, and then I can grab this main shaft back here. And it's the large shaft in the back. And you're just going to rotate it the top away from you. And you'll see that the needle bar goes down. And I'm going to basically lower it until it gets to the absolute lowest spot. And then what I can do is, on the right side over here, I can hit this brake switch. So right now it's off. I'm going to turn it on. And now when I come back over here, this needle bar is stuck. I can't move it. And if I grab this bar, I'm trying to rotate it. I can't rotate it at all. So that is how you as one person can run the setup to actually set your timing properly. There's a little dial over here to set it at the appropriate degree that you need. And you could see how this would be a little hard to do when you got to line it up over here. And by the way, if you back this screw off a little bit, this panel will come off. I have it too tight. And then there's a knurled handle there, so you could actually rotate it right here and then come over here and flip the switch on, so that way you can work on the head without it bumping. In case you're curious, you can have the brake on and the machine will still work. So if I hit thread cut, it'll return it back to origin, and I could throw the hoop back in. And hit start. And you'll see it's still on. But again, it's still on, and I won't be able to roll it because the brake is on. And now I will.